Hi, Steve Webster, founder of Kommander Industries. Just want to go over what comes with your Kommander GP1 haul kit when you order it and receive it at your house. Basically, we include all the pieces and items that you're going to need to convert your SXR 1500 into a race-ready GP1. We include the bumper kits with the rivets. We include the billet coupler that you're going to go ahead and use on your stock drive shaft to get your motor placement where you need it to be. We include your stainless steel hood catches. We include the billet aluminum black anodized hood catch brackets that attach to either your Blosian or RRP handle pole bracket. The stainless steel cable extension that you need to use on your stock steering system. The hulls will come to you with your nose and wings already mounted on your ski, all your hardware with your bushings and everything all put in place. Your handle pole bracket will already be drilled for installing it for either, again, for the RRP or the Blosian handle pole bracket. You'll have a custom laser etched Kommander GP1 handle pole pad. Your hood has its vents put in. It has the hood seals are already installed. It's basically aligned and ready to go. Your filler neck is already pre-drilled for where that everything needs to go. Your rear sponsons are installed and sealed in place. All of the holes are drilled and tapped for your ride plate, your intake grate. All your fittings are put in place as far as your pump shoe, your pump plate, your water lines, steering cable bracket. All that's already pre-done for you, so you don't have to do any of those things once you receive it. Your bulkhead bearing carrier is drilled, tapped, and positioned and aligned for drive shaft alignment. You have your 3 water lines. You have your fittings for your steering cable. One of the cables is for steering. One of the holes is for steering cable. The other one is for your, if you utilize a drop nozzle, stainless steel exhaust system. 2.5-inch stainless steel exhaust that goes all the way through with a sealed on the end with a billet aluminum bezel. Once you receive your Kommander GP1 haul package, it'll take you about 2 full days of assembling to basically create a boat just like this. So once you take your Kommander GP1 haul kit out of the box, because we've already drilled, tapped, aligned all your engine driveline components, then you have to just transfer everything out of your SXR and into the new hull. Everything that you need will come with the boat as far as being able to attach your motor to your driveline, for your steering cable, for your couplers, ride plate, intake grate, that's all done. All your hardware for your pump is already included, and the rest of it is just used off of your SXR. You'll use whatever your choice is for handle pole and handle pole brackets, steering and such. It can be RRP, Blosian, whatever your choices are. But you're just going to be bolting everything onto it. It's already preset, pre-drilled, and ready to go. So at Kommander, we have 2 different options for your GP1. You can get your pre-prepped haul package, which is going to come with all of your holes drilled, tapped, engine, everything aligned, ready to go, drive line, where you just drop all your parts into it from your existing 1500. Or you can do a complete turnkey boat where we supply you with everything you're going to need, including a new SXR, or if you have an existing SXR, you can send it to us and we can use that as a donor for the build. So if you choose to go with a turnkey package from us, then what you'll receive when the boat's completed is a complete ready to go to the starting line boat. It's going to be tuned, tested, ridden, everything done. You're going to receive it just like this, ready to go. With either choice, you have the ability to choose your colors of everything that you want on the boat. You choose your top deck color, your bottom deck color, choose your graphic kit colors, you choose your matte colors. You can utilize the KommanderGP1.com design studio, and it allows you to go through and try all kinds of different color combinations, not only on the hull, but also on your graphics.
The buying experience here at Kommander is very easy. We want to make this as quick and efficient for you and as positive of an experience as possible. First of all, you can either go to our traditional website, which is KommanderIND.com, and then you would hover over this tab where it says Kommander, and then click on GP1, which will take you to our KommanderGP1.com website, or you can just key in commandergp1.com and click on this GP1 order form, and it'll take you right to the order form. So when you get to the order form, we have all of the information is housed within this order form. So you're going to start off with what type of package you're looking for. Are you wanting a SXR 1500 motor package, a Yamaha TR1 1050 motor package, and then are you going to provide the donor ski, or do you want Kommander to provide the donor ski? So you'll click the radial button that suits you best, and the pricing is all available within this order form. And then this is a super fun interactive way to select your colors. So it always starts with a white hull, and then so you have a blank canvas to design it however you want. So you can go in here and click, let's say you want Cowie green nose and wings, and you want to have a black hood, a black top deck, and then a black bottom. This will allow you to then go down and you can play with some graphic kits. If there's a particular graphic kit that you're looking for, we can talk about that after you submit the order form. But this really just is designed to give you different ideas and color combos that may work best for your preference or your liking. So here's just an example of how I was able to quickly set the outlines of your graphics, the color of K, and then the accents. Now if you say, gosh, I wonder what it looks like to have a green bottom with this, you can just come right back up here, and then it gives you a visual of how the image of the ski can quickly change. So once you've had fun playing with the colors and designing how you want that to look, you can also give us the details on a race number if you want to run a race number within your graphic kit, and then the details around your mats, the color of your side dashes, the trim or the outside piping of the side and front dash, and then the kicker, the design of the kicker that you want, whether you want a straight kicker, ergo, and the height of the straight kicker that you want. And then this is for motor enhancement packages. You can read through all the details of what you get within your enhancement packages. Steve is constantly innovating and making refinements to our motor packages. So what I would say is, if you're not 100% sure what you want, select the box that you feel is best for you at that time, and then we'll have a full discussion prior to the build of what exactly you want that we can customize or tailor for you. But this will at least give you an idea of pricing and based on those different buckets. You'll let us know if you want an ECU tune. Again, these are all things that we can have as a consultation. The type of pump that you're looking for, if you want a trim lever for a drop nozzle, and then what type of props or impeller options that are available, and then the type of handle pull. So our standard or our stock GP1 comes with an RRP cast handle pull, and then there's different upgrades from there, whether it's RRP or Ablosion. Those are the most common. So the pricing is available as to what those upgrades cost, and then you can select the specific colors that you want your tubes and the ends of the poles to be, as well as the steering system. If you'll then have a selection of the type of handlebars, what color grips you want, throttle levers, if you want any sort of upgrade with the throttle levers, and then it'll show you your total of how the build package works. Again, it's not, that doesn't mean it's set in stone. What I would recommend is fill out your information, any questions that you have. You can either put your notes here, or you just submit the form, and we will contact you within 24 hours, and we'll have a detailed conversation around what you want and what's going to be best for you. From a timing standpoint, we typically have the skis completed within 4 to 6 weeks. It depends on your specific build, how custom you want it, if there's any particular nuances that we need to work through. Sometimes it can actually be quicker, just depends on the timing that you commit to the build. And then if you want a haul only, we've shown you some examples of what you get with a haul only kit. That is not in our order form, but it's something that go ahead and just submit your request, and then we will work through the details on the hull. The hull-only kits are manufactured quicker and can get shipped out quicker. And again, all custom colors. So we look forward to working with you. We want to make this as fun, quick, and easy as possible. And we appreciate the business. Thank you.